BT here at American Eagle, and I love the rolling campaigns. We've had so many lucky customers that have won a lot of cool stuff over the years. And we've got Rick here, who is a qualifier for Rolling Laconia. Man, how many times did you enter to win?
Believe it or not, I only entered once, and Lisa basically did it for me.
Okay, so they're going to fly you to Laconia. You're going to get up on stage. You're one of 10 people. You're going to pull a key, and you're going to be able to win a Pan America. How cool is that?
I'm excited. I'm real excited.
Are you a hog member?
Yes,
okay.
Lifetime.
If you put your hog member into the contest, you're going to win some additional prizes as well. So that's really cool. There's a lot of great benefits. Not only that, but we have a lot of other contests going on. We have the rolling contest. Have you done this one for the ride campaign?
No.
Okay, we're going to get you signed up for this. What this one does is it gives every mile that you register, money goes towards veterans.
Okay.
Okay, and then it puts you in another contest where you can win up to 5 other motorcycles. So
okay.
I want to shake that lucky hand again.
Okay. Thank you, BT.
Hey guys, all you got to do is play at least once to win. Rick's living proof of that. We so hope that you win the bike, and we're excited for you. Guys, come in, register today, get signed up for the riding campaign. Just come see me, and I'll register your miles for you. So come out and see us today. See you soon, guys.
Thanks, Lisa. Thanks, BT.
Yep.
Thanks to American Eagle.
Come on,
appreciate it.
Yeah.